Hey guys, it's your girl Shanae of Pretty in Coils. So today this is the beat that I have come up with. This is the face because I have not said that in a while. But I did this look because I was sent some beautiful glitters by Bella Vita Brie. She has a shop called Bling by Bella Vita Brie on Etsy, and you guys should definitely check it out and grab some glitters from her. So she sent me about 5 actually, and they are a black and silver, a pink and blue. Pink, blue, and it has a little bit of silver in it. There's a blue, black, and silver, and then there's a black and gold. And the one I use is actually, oh, my nails, ignore my nails. The one that I use is actually, it has some gold, some bronze, and some silver in there, and that's what I did this look with. So if you like what you see, continue to watch this video and see how I created this eye look. And remember to thumbs up and subscribe. Also, check out prettyincoils.com as well as my last video, which actually has a giveaway in it. It is to win a 3-month supply of Nature's Bounty hair gummies with biotin. You could check out my last video to see exactly how you can win that, and I'll insert that in somewhere in this video, and definitely it will be in the subscription box or the description box, but you should subscribe. In the description box will also be all my links as well as where you can buy this glitter. So continue to watch this video if you like what you see. Enjoy your weekend.